Welcome to 90 Seconds Blast on Dev TV. We're continuing the conversation we started last week about the monitoring, evaluation, and learning function. In this episode, what I thought I'll talk about is learning. I'll go through the different types of learning data, how to convert that data to information, and how to use that information to redesign our intervention and potentially our entire program. Different types of learning data. First is the context monitoring data. This, in any context you work in, it is not a static context. It changes all the time, it's very dynamic. So this information from the MEL function will help you understand how the context is changing. You then have indicators. The MEL function will provide you indicators that will tell you what a part of the context is changing and what is changing in your intervention activities. And then you have the intervention quality data. Intervention quality speaks to the resource chain, speaks to the program's theory of change and the log frame. So if the data you're getting from this, that you have good quality intervention. And then you have program evaluation data. This is the entire program's hypothesis, theory of change. Are we moving in the right direction? Is the theory being proven or disproved? And then there's the program impact. Obviously, towards the end of the project, you need to understand how much of an impact the program has achieved in the time that it was implementing. So those are the different types of data, learning data. How do we convert this to learning? We gather information from data from different sources, convert that data to usable information, analyze the information to essentially get the learning out of the data, and translate that into learning, how that impacts the interventions that we're implementing. If you do that, if you follow those steps, what that shows is that you are making a data-informed decision about your interventions and your program. So you redesign and implement and then repeat the process all over again. So you have an error learning correction model in your activities. So question for you, do you use the MEL data to do intervention redesign and implementation approach, as in redesigning your approach? Leave your answer in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.